In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice control language in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the Accessibility menu, and I continue scrolling down a bit more until I spot Voice Control. When I see it, I tap on Voice Control, and that takes me straight into the settings page for it. Alright, now that I'm here, I tap on Language. This brings up the list of available languages I can choose from. I scroll through the list until I find the one I want, and once I see it, I tap on it. If it needs to be downloaded, I go ahead and tap to download it right here. I give it a moment while the download completes, and once that's finished, the language is ready to use. I usually stay on this screen for a second, just to confirm everything looks right before moving on. Now I start backing out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to change it again, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Voice Control, open Language, and choose another option from the list. If I want to double check, I might scroll through the languages again just to compare what's available before settling on one. It's easy to switch between them, and nothing else needs to be adjusted once the language is selected. You can also stay here for a moment after downloading just to make sure the selection shows as active before exiting. I like to take that quick glance so I know everything is set exactly the way I wanted. And that's all there is to it. Like, you've now seen how to change the voice control language on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to come back and adjust whenever you need.